Hi everyone, I'm Eric Brooks with Alpine Electronics, and today I want to take you on an inside look of our next generation of S-Series amplifiers. This is a full family of amps that are going to give you great performance and great output in your vehicle. So let's check it out. So Alpine has been making S-Series amps for quite a while now, and this latest generation really takes it to the next level using high resolution certification. So these amplifiers, our 4-channel and our 5-channel, will actually play back beyond what the human ear can hear. Why is that important? Well, if the world around us has information going on that we can't hear, we should still be able to play back that information through your system so you're not losing any information. And it does it giving you great sound on top of it. So again, we have a 4-channel, a 5-channel, so you can run an entire system out of one chassis, and then we have 2 mono amplifiers. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the features in the 4-channel. I'm going to come around and get this a little closer to you so you can get a good view of it. So first off, this is a fully digital amplifier, right? And it's high resolution, like we said. It has a beautiful new cosmetic with this brushed aluminum face. It has these integrated wiring covers that you attach to the amplifier to cover up all of your connections. But then when you look at the controls of this, you'll notice a couple of new features. So this has a new 3-position switch on it that allows us to dictate what type of system it's going into. So if you're using it with an OEM head unit or an aftermarket head unit, you can select what's right for your installation. So if you need current sensing, so it turns on automatically with high level input, you can do that. If you're using an OEM head unit with high level input and you want to use your remote trigger, you can do that. Or if you have an aftermarket radio with remote turn on, you can do that. So this allows you to optimize it for your installation in your vehicle. Another new feature on this amplifier is a mid-bass EQ. So you can actually add additional mid-bass into your system through the EQ that's on board in this amplifier. It also has selective crossovers so that you can really tune in your system to where it sounds the best in your vehicle. So that's our 4-channel. We also have the 5-channel amplifier, right, which gives us a lot of the similar features, but it allows us to run the entire system out of one box. So all of your speakers in the vehicle, as well as subwoofers, you can run right out of this 5-channel amplifier. But really where we get to have a lot of fun is with our mono amps. So we have 2 mono amps. We have a 600 watt mono amp, the S2A60M, and we have a new 1200 watt mono amp, the S2A120M. So let's talk a little bit about these. So first off, they can operate at both 1 ohm or 2 ohm, giving the same power output. So that means that it's easier to configure whatever subwoofers you have to work with these amplifiers. Let's talk about matching up subs with these amps. So the S2A60M is perfectly power matched for our S-Series 10 and 12. So if you want to run a single 10 or a single 12, you could use this amplifier and it will do a great job of pushing those subs and giving you great bass in your car. If you wanted to do 2 8s in the S-Series line, you would also be able to match this up to those and give perfect power matching in your vehicle. Now, if we're talking about doing multiple subs, that's where this 1200 watt mono comes in. So if I wanted to do 2 10s or 2 12s or 4 8s, I could do that with this 1200 watt mono amp and be perfectly power matched to the subs that I'm putting into it. So we have a wide range of solutions that are going to be perfect for your vehicle and give you great performance and great sound using these S-Series amplifiers. So I really thank you for taking the time to learn more about these S-Series amps today. And until we talk again, remember to always let the Alpine play.